I mean, because everybody lucky in a way that, you know, it's under the way that evening, I just feel a bit overcast.
Yeah, get old.
You see it, all that tonight too. You know how much?
The one saying feel overcast.
Yeah, man, they feel overcast.
Partly cloudy.
It's Mr. Roy. Where that man in Jamaica get Roy Forrester?
Boy, I mean, I know
You look, you know him name the backside.
I hear you for my number.
You just know him as the weatherman, you know.
Talk to me. Anyway,
Just
good evening
the
to everybody online. Because the Facebook who just joining us. Big up Jazzwad, you know, I see him lucky, you know.
And Donna.
Yeah, I know, but just realized that Jazzwad there UK.
Wait, what do you mean you just realized?
No, listen, because I know Jazzwad as the bad producer from Jamaica a long time.
He's been here for ages.
Yes, but yes, that's why I try to show you. I never realized that Inga him living.
That's what, where you want me use and beat him though?
No,
Talk to me.
Seriously, me think
Talk to me quick and fast, cause
no, I'm watching past stage at Jamaica enough. But some things says a man from the ends, but I realize that he's from the block.
Big up yourself, Jazz Waddy Waddy.
Big up yourself.
You know?
Of
and
course.
shout out to shout out to everybody that is on our Facebook and Instagram pages. Shout out to everyone that is tuned in on TGM Radio's website. You know, that's www.tgmradiouk.com.
That forward.
Here you God.
Yeah.
Me nah follow that. Me nah go down that road there. At that coming here, sir. Any boy want wire toward this or
No, I think I'm sick and tired of getting wise.
Yeah.
So everything I say,
a popcorn says shoo.
Shoo.
I feel like a priest.
I have to make sure I say
So people
make
on,
sure
on the Instagram, please, may I beg you, share the link.
Yeah,
you know,
share the link,
Tag
please.
somebody, tag a friend, tag somebody.
Simple.
Yeah.
Of course.
And please do remember we are sponsored by Shush Print. So every printing necessities everything that you need to be printed,
Yes.
shirt, cup, pants, shoes, buckle, laptop cover,
Yes.
Anything you want
everything that you
Yeah.
need to be printed.
One-stop print shop.
It's all right. What I know.
One-stop print shop, Shush Print.
We need to talk about some topic quickly before
Yes,
we go in
please.
our first business. So, I feel like so that week a beaten week, you know.
Who get beat now?
Boy, Rick, your friend in our bro, God.
Who?
No, you know, listen.
You're a good labor right here, coming in your colors.
Listen.
Me say, well, I know. I could have started beating a bro, God first.
Yeah.
Because me feel like, say, bro, God, we are all in and beat you, you know.
Come here, no, me I beat bro the gag that week at one.
Bro, God, me they are foreign, you can't send the police them come lock me up.
Yeah.
So last week, me tell you, say, you're a bully. As the people them calling him, anyway them there, police find them and lock them up.
No,
But the crime rate going rampant,
hide.
and you can't find no gunman at Jamaica.
All right. You see what me agree with everybody where I say right now with this the new measurement. All right, so let's read out the new measurement.
Because they have a measurement them, me send them come get today, right?
Yeah.
yes.
So because me try to read it, but me couldn't understand it, so I probably wouldn't understand it better.
We do understand it. After you have
Okay,
the factual.
let's run through this.
Run
quick
through the
and
measurement,
fast.
because me say man I contradict himself and I
Okay.
write it.
So, lockdown measures.
Read it, you know.
This is forwarding from Highlights Research Dashboard, yes?
Yeah.
So, national curfew hours from March 23rd, which is today,
Yeah.
to the 27th. It says the island-wide curfew hours will remain at 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. through to the morning of Saturday, March 27th.
Yes.
Workplaces will be required to close at noon on Friday, March 26th. So, today, the 23rd of March, in a JA, when it
Not
reaches...
explain it, just read it, no man.
No. Listen.
So I must just read it without explaining it.
Yes, me just want
Yeah, you want
feel
to
regular time.
All right,
so if
that's
them won't understand.
That's our first part. Make
Yeah.
we talk about that first.
Just
read all of them.
Read it,
Cool.
read it. Then we just go through it.
Okay. And then it highlights March 27th, which is Saturday. So it says on Saturday, March 27th, 2021, the curfew will begin at 12 noon and end on Monday, March 29th, 2021 at 5 a.m.
Stop this one now.
No, it makes you
Hold
finish
on,
everything now.
Me coulda stop this
No,
one. We have
no, no,
We have to explain that part then.
Because it's from
you
March
know.
23rd to
Because
March
the first
27th.
part,
Yeah.
him set the curfew from 8 till 5 p.m. You know.
Yeah.
See him from
March 23rd to March
See him, them
27th.
say, you know.
Yeah.
Then him go back and say, the curfew I start 12 o'clock.
On the
12 p.m.
27th.
and the 27th, see
Yeah,
way.
yeah.
And him say, you know, from the 25th till the 27th, it are from 8
p.m.
till 5 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
Then him go back and say, it has start from 12 o'clock, the 27th.
On the
so I
20
understand.
Yeah.
Because remember, you know, him say 27, you know, from, what you call it, 8 till 5. Then him go back and say, no, I know about the 5 or 12.
At 12.
What kind of information that you have put out?
Mix up.
All right, so basically the
You know,
27th.
like when Barry say, you can go up on the road, but you can't go.
Yeah, something like that.
Clad.
So all right. So basically, that nobody not supposed to go after 12 o'clock. That him I say. But him said it wrong.
Yes.
He made a mistake by saying from the 23rd.
There are several errors in this bulletin. So that's the first one.
Yeah.
Yes. Then we head over to from March 29th. Is that a Monday?
Yeah, that's a Monday, yeah.
So Monday, March 29th to the 1st of April, which I think is a Thursday. So it says on Monday the 29th, the curfew will begin at 8 p.m. and end at 5 a.m. on Thursday, April 1st.
Okay.
So April Fool's Day. You sure it's not April Fool's prank badger?
You mean not trouble, you know? You mean
I
not
don't
trouble?
know. I don't know if I joke him around or what. So that's from Saturday. No, that's from Monday to Thursday. In that time, remember, so we said April 1st is a Thursday.
Yeah.
Holy Thursday and Good Friday. Businesses must close at noon on Thursday, April 1st. The curfew starts at 8 p.m. on Thursday, April 1st, and will extend for all of Good Friday, April 2nd, and end on Saturday, April 3rd at 5 a.m.
So, boy, if you know the plan to fly out some kite and them something there, cancel that, you know.
Because
If you're all right, Rasta, you finish the document?
it's not finished. That's the other part.
Continue.
So we're heading over to Easter Sunday and Easter Monday. Effective Saturday, April 3rd, 2021.
Yeah.
The curfew starts at 12 noon until Tuesday, April 6th at 5 a.m. Right?
Yes.
We're going on. I must continue.
Yeah.
Week of April 5th. On Tuesday, April 6, 2021, the curfew will commence at 8 p.m. nightly to 5 a.m. the following morning, ending at 5 a.m. on Saturday, April 10th. And then the weekend of the 10th of April, on Saturday, April 10th, the curfew will begin at 12 noon and continue through the entire day on Sunday and end at 5 a.m. on Monday, April 12th.
You know, all right. Is that it?
Two more lines.
You will hold on there. You can't stop it because I'm confused already, you know.
Me confused from the first, from March 23rd, dog.
So we are bring it over to the village council, you know, the big labor right there. You come out there and call us.
Oh, you say, I agree. Oh,
Lucky
yes,
say him
agree
never
with
come
me
out with Andrew on him shirt, you know.
All right.
And him too with a pencil.
No, right. Me totally against these measures.
You're against how the measures are
But
put out.
what I realize what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to put a dampening on the weekend them. And because in April, you know, we have the Easter.
holiday
And you know,
period.
so most people always go on trip. Jack, I didn't see bus then come and watch it.
Yeah, but hold on now.
Mm.
See, all of these measures are set weeks before. Do not stop hotel from doing nothing when them are
It doesn't stop. That's
so,
Yeah, because that
you
continues
what's going to
in-
happen? You see, the people, the high society people, and the rich people from town, they're going to drive down to the North Coast as usual.
Booking
Booking at the
themselves.
hotel for the weekend and come up when curfew done.
That's true.
So the poor people want to suffer, you know, because you know, club keep a hotel right through, you know. No flight, no stop from America for come at Jamaica, you know.
You
So,
know stop.
oh, you lock up the people in the country, and then you have tourists that come there, come go all about.
it doesn't make no sense.
Enough.
What I think him should have done, if him decides say, the COVID that get and just have a full week a lockdown, just one harsh week, and make everybody stay inside for that week there, and give them people the medical grant. And then I'm just saying it's not maybe not the right thing to do, but if you stop so much people from trade, and most of Jamaica we know trade at night, because nightlife in Jamaica.
No, not really, not really most of
Not
Jamaica.
most-
That's a Jamaica.
Poor people.
Most poor people trade at night.
Yeah, because we do well hustling. Yeah.
Exactly. So I think it's very harsh in terms of the lower end of the society.
No, here what people on the gram just bust a share because we are talking about a bag of things now. See?
Randolph Lee says sound like foolishness. Because me
Yes,
I read it and I couldn't understand.
Yeah.
It confusing.
It's
very
confusing because you give us you give 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. yet still within that time frame. Me can't leave me at 12 p.m. So what's the sense of us forwarding until 5 a.m.? What's the sense?
You have to understand, see? You see, the measurement where them put out. Remember, 3 measurements, 3 different things, you know. The tailor for rich people, poor people, and the hotel people. See? Because watch you know. The people in my hotel, they measure and work with them. Rich people, you know, work for them. See? Look on this now. Warm to the people who work at hotel because me from the North Coast, so I can explain that side of the tone a bit. Rick, you know where I go. Hotel are sitting thing where you pay your money coming at hotel, you expect certain catering. So the staff them where come from work, what police order, send them up in a truck back.
No, they say you're exempt.
What? No. There's no exemption list come out.
Yes,
and
it
Rick,
is.
Rick, hold on now.
No, but Dragon, when you are stating, you have to state the facts.
But hold on.
Yeah.
Say if they are exempt, all them all get home because remember just explain something. the little taxi man them will run them robot taxi will work at night time and carry them home. So police will lock them up at night. So if you gotta work, you have to go walk come in.
In that's the case, then that makes sense. What you're saying that makes sense. It doesn't make sense for them to. It's hard to police because if you're gonna allow the worker them to go work, you must have to provide some form of transport. But you tell the taxi man say him can't up on the road because
we know Jamaica run because them people are rich and have them money. Them not used to the what you call it the real Jamaica. How Jamaica is because watch you know. Say I would say 99.9% of the nighttime taxi operators is a robot taxi. That means a robot taxi, you're not legal for run no farmer taxi. A man just have him car and decides him do a hustle.
I run so hustling.
Because the red plate man them what can do them thing properly. They make the money from there, so them sleep at night and hug up their woman and pitney.
Cool. All right. So here, we agree on this because we agree says nonsense. And I don't even think we should try to confuse people no more because it's if
Don't
the
confuse
officials
already.
they try to make it as plain as possible. And but for what I get from it is that they're trying to dump in the weekend and keep people at them yard over the holiday. That's it.
No, Jamaicans stay unruly.
Well, I did say this. The country need to go on a full lockdown for a while.
For a long time.
But this is not the way to do it. You do it in phase. Explain the measurement them clear to people and make them know say what happened. Because me listen to Bro God's speech and when I say it don't make no sense, you know. Bro God the whole of Jamaica, I say you're book smart boy, you don't see nice street.
And it's weird, you know, because when
not even Bro God Andrew Wellness, because I feel like say Bro God.
No, I think he's lost that title. Based on everything that has happened, he definitely has lost that title. They've lost the plot. They've lost the plot.
Him can't send police come lock me up.
Go up in that truck.
Well, maybe.
In that truck.
Well, maybe. Let me just add one.
Quickly, because we're going. Yeah.
And there's one person that's been ranting very harshly, and she's getting backlash for it. And I think she have a point. But the only reason why she gets so much backlash from people is because she swear a lot. Tanya Stevens, if you've seen Tanya Stevens,
one of the Tanya Stevens is a G.
And I like her stance.
Facts.
Yes. But it's just because she swear a lot.
But it's just how she says it. But if anybody knows Tanya,
nothing wrong with swearing, bro.
I was just about to say that Dragon and her, she's like the female version of Dragon. Like anything that comes to her mind, which is facts.
Yeah.
She's just gonna say it. She doesn't care who you are. She doesn't care what position you hold. It doesn't really matter. And once it's facts, it's facts.
You know, like when you cook food and you sprinkle the seasoning pan, you so you swearing come, you know.
You just pour till the spirit says stop.
You just spice up its speech. You know, your grammar it up.
Of course.
Yeah.
Rasta, what's else popping? Let's move on to next stories.
Weekend. Let's talk about the weekend.
Let's talk about the weekend.
Because
weekend was a nice weekend.
Weekend was nice. How was it?
Well, my weekend, obviously, my weekend has always been busy. And just, work, man.
Oh, yeah.
Money.
No, the weekend sweet, man. Remember, you know, Sunday.
Him and partial amnesia.
Now, big up Fatty, you know. Sunday, we over Crystal Blue. You know, big up Squidly, yo.
Her name is not
sweet,
Fatty.
man.
Her name is Fluffy.
Get
it right.
Same thing.
Right?
So, people, if you miss it, Crystal Blue has a
But Fluffy,
Sunday.
you are going to run my gas right now, so you know, me couldn't just, you know, yeah.
Let's explain to the people then. So, if you're watching now, you wonder what we're talking about. Crystal Blue, Squidly Blue has a Sunday night.
Vocal
Sunday. So people go over there, go look what go on.
You were invited to do a set, and it's purely nice. Old school music, and we go on with that thing. Dragon go on with himself, I know. But in the midst of what we were enjoying and playing the music, there was a particular female calls herself Fluffy. I can't remember the at Instagram.
It's Fluffy69 something.
Yeah, she was quite interested and intrigued by Dragon's story.
Dragon fire up.
Dragon told a synopsis of a story that happened to him, and he wasn't quite so happy about the ladies not treating him well over the quarantine because he was bearded up and he didn't look too attractive, so the ladies didn't show him any love, so he decided to vent. And then Fluffy saw him and said,
let me help you.
Let him help him out.
Let me help you.
And she did send the location. What was the postcode again? SE16.
Is it SE?
Boy, Eric, you look like you know him more than me. Like, how you know?
You know him no secretly writes it down, so if you don't reach him, it will step in on your car.
When you're the DJ driver, the DJ pull over and stop and say, yeah man, go on. So me I wonder if him just rally back and go in a fluffy.
No,
Go on, Rick.
we never go fluffy. Never
Yeah,
go
so
fluffy.
Fluffy 6875, big up yourself, and everybody else who is a part of Squidly's
Squidly, bro.
lives, not only vocal Sundays, but all of his lives. If you remember, him have him
Friday, you know.
him have him church service, him
Praise
have him
and worship.
everything.
go
Everybody
over
who
there.
supports Squidly's
So
live.
if you don't want, you know, it crosses people, and just want like a prayer.
You
Go
know,
over
what's
them
that,
and make somebody
Monday?
pray for them. I
Monday.
think-
Go
yeah.
for the prayers on a Monday
Good.
afternoon at 1 p.m. But
Yes.
that happened. We also have to shout out to DJ Capo, who had his birthday celebration on Sunday as well, and everybody who went over and participated, all the artists, all the
and
DJs.
And Black Night them live as well on Sunday. That was festive.
Legendary Sundays
Legendary Sunday.
with Black Panther Sound. So
Yeah.
big up DJ, Skeng, and Double K. Trust me, the young shooter them.
Them a go. All right. See, that
When
is
I
a
go
young
on.
shooter.
Young shooter them.
We have to cross over to that now. That topic.
Yeah, all right. So-
Ruffhouse time.
Yes.
because
Hold
it's
on.
that time.
Before we
Give-
cross over to that,
Before
no.
you cross over, go and talk so I can.
Let
do
me
some
just put
check-ins.
a word of
Yeah.
advice, cause realize say I'm not sure share that Black Night sound or nothing, but they all a DJ them, the man them are most established in our business.
Yeah.
When you can tell the younger youth them say them a play the song them too fast, because I was listening to live and the song them a play extremely fast, and it's not a disrespect if I touch a man and say yo, turn on your tempo a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Make-
because it's obvious. Because even Rasta tell me, no, come, I drive, Rasta,
Yeah.
say, yo, it's on them. Rasta not DJ, no, but you can't
You
hear
can
it. It's just
hear
so
the song.
obvious. And there are some talented young DJs, but let's take time and play the song to me. I beg you, no, please.
That's-
Big up on
yeah.
yourself. Yeah.
That's all. And that's all I can say as well. The pitch is a bit high sometimes, and it kind of make the song sound. So basically, some song when they're supposed to mix can be mixed because of the pitch range, and it gets a bit new. It sounds good sometimes when you have vibe and a party, but then for listening back to it, it's just not the vibe.
Especially on a phone.
Exactly.
Yeah, you
Very
know, sound
nice.
good. Yeah.
And so like let's move over to Monday night.
Ruffhouse.
War Report has a series they call it Ruffhouse.
No, she means around there, say, you know.
So basically, it's head sounds versus song goes head to head each and every Monday, live on War Report on the Facebook page and YouTube. So the last night contestants was between Infinity UK and Black Knight. So Black Knight is a veteran son as well, but you know they have the younger son, which is Dio. The
young youth
front,
of them are not, yeah.
the front man for the son now, and also the mixer is a young youth as well.
That front man thing, them, I like that's what me, you know. Why,
No.
you know? You're in a trouble, you know.
Listen to me.
Me say you're in a trouble.
Me not no. I would say number 2. I would say man, boy. I don't know boy can fix me. Anyway, let's further on. Move on to the thing.
Boy
So the
no
clash
fix
last night. The clash was good. It was very entertaining. And I think so far this clash is one of the clash them that were I think is one of the standout one. Reason being,
Yeah.
the young youth them did do very, very well, and I'm very surprised. Sometime you can see where the experience was lacking, and where Dio could have actually controlled the clash better for me.
Yeah. Me see that as
Yeah.
well. Me see whole up a little part where
It could have,
him could have step
It
in
could have
and make a little
yeah, and
different
presentation,
entrance.
yeah,
you
the
know,
present,
yeah. That's where experience is lacking. But
yes,
I feel very proud to be a young DJ.
yeah.
So, you know, all selector, you know that somewhere I don't get
No.
shift up, you know.
To be honest,
But no, listen, me not be disrespectful no veteran or no selector way PF the runway for we,
yeah,
because you still have some very bad selector.
of
We
course,
have a lot to teach us and we have a lot to learn from them. But
yes,
that's why you say the future is bright, because I would say they are them we self, you know, in the same, because we were on the same age group, so we would
Exactly.
say we are the next generation up, right?
and
And I say the future is bright. It's very, very bright in terms of what everybody's doing.
And you see, I wouldn't take anywhere from Infinity, because Infinity did play the role. I mean, Killer and Cutty was, as always, they had chemistry. But I find
Yeah.
where people were more expecting and were surprised by Black, because we know Black Knight, but we never really
Yeah.
know the caliber of songs then when they
No,
have.
no. Me kind of know the caliber song. with
Me
Black
never
Knight
know
and-
anything.
Because obviously, me a boy, you know, me do my research more, you know, 'cause, you know, yeah, hear some sound I road there.
Yeah.
And me listen to you a couple times, you know, like me listen, me normally over them thing more, you know. And me know say Black Knight when they come on to Bounty, them loaded with Bounty, me attack there. authentic, classic Bounty when Bounty younger. You can hear the anger in him voice.
Anger in him, of
I know
course.
them loaded with some big songs, so I was expecting them to come play some big song, but I expect like Infinity to maneuver the clash a little bit better.
Yeah, I think they were caught surprise because of how Black Knight attacked the clash. Because I was thinking Black Knight was gonna come from him like from the young.
Killer in a problem.
Yeah,
In a problem.
Yeah, in a problem because the songs where they were playing.
Killer when me see in a problem, you know. Killer when me see Killer in a problem. Yeah.
You have
Like-
so much sense. Go on. Then.
The ear.
A Killer that.
Yes, Killer is in the
Killer
wings.
in a problem, you know.
Killer is in the wings
it's alright.
waiting. But
Yeah.
like for
I'm
me,
there.
from me now, where I took notes, you know, ladies and gentlemen. You don't know, say.
Yeah.
I mean, right. So, anyways, based on how the clash went, I think, in my opinion, Infinity took it lightly. So because them is a clash zone,
Yeah.
but them a play a younger set of youth. Them me feel say them take it lightly. So the
But Black Knight is an older son. Black Knight been in the business for 24
I know Black
years.
Knight, the name has been in the
Yeah.
industry for
Yeah,
years,
but it
but
was
the person
there was the
who-
show off. Yeah.
This is what I'm saying.
Because he didn't expect Dio to. I see what Rasta saying in there.
Infinity,
Yeah.
being Cutty and Killer,
Yeah.
are seasoned in clash.
Yeah.
Dio and Triggs, forgive me
Triggs.
if is it Triggs or Triggs?
Triggs.
Right. Top shooter.
Man, I said something like that. Tricks are for kids.
I mean, I think they underestimated.
Yeah.
All right.
See,
Underestimated
they're
them, but
on the live as
we
well.
have Dio and Killer
Yeah.
here with us. I mean, gentlemen, welcome. Thank you for joining us.
What up?
Cool, man. What on? You good?
Let's start it from Infinity side, all right? So Infinity, you are the seasoned professional. This is DJ Killer we're talking to, representing for Infinity Sound. For how did you guys approach the clash? Did you what were you expecting from Black Knight Sound?
The same thing, you know, because we listen to them all the while, you know, Rick.
Yeah.
We listen to them when the pro clashes, them, we know them have song. We know that, you understand? Yeah. We know them have song from, I know them from way back early 90s. You understand? So we know them have some song. But we never underestimate them, you know. You understand? You know?
Me feel like you underestimate because
No. Because we
Why
know
you
them
thi-
have a song, and they have a good shooter. We know that. You understand?
Yeah.
We know that. So we say, you know what, Cutty? Let's go into this and prepare and us do what we have to do, you know. You understand?
I think
Because I see him them link up Cutty, you know. You know what weeks we not see him, and I see him them link him up and say, yo, Cutty, 3 hours. Say, yo, look on the laptop there. Let's go around and do what we have to do. And that was it.
That is your fault then for come to this clash and prepare because when I tell lie, you know, yo, on the back wheel up, you know.
Bad.
Yo, on go Kunta Kenta me get some
Bad.
beating, you know, man. Hold on the back wheel up, you know. Yo,
Bad.
all right.
Dio, talk to us about your experience of last night's clash against Infinity. UK.
I want to say, because they are very experienced, like when I say, and I've obviously heard about them. You know, when it comes to the clash, you know, when people say Black Knight and Infinity are go up against each other,
Right.
I only for people link me and say, yo, Dio, your research, you know, them bad, you know, them you know, only for clash, you know. Them go yes, them go yes.
Right.
You see me? I mean, I
Right.
say, cool. But me still never take it. Like, me never take it lightly, but me never take it like too serious. You see me? I'm 50-50. You get me? Come and say,
Yes.
all right, cool. I feel like in like the last 2 weeks, me really listen to a few things that two clash with them going on. Thing. I mean, I observe how them play. I mean, I say, cool. My sister, the tall one.
Him name Cutty.
He's a bully, you see me? In presence, alone. In presence, alone. You see? So me I say, all right, cool. True now, when them say, all right, to me as a younger selector now, it's not the first me I clash. I've been in quite a few clashes. The first time I clash was in 2015, yeah? But we never did MC. I wasn't an MC. I was the shooter.
Yeah,
You
it's
see
a
me?
mixer.
It was like 2000. It's like 2016, 17, I start take up the microphone and I start to practice. And I watch clash, me watch whole heap of clash. Throughout the years, from my first clash, I start watch clash. So going into this clash now, when I still say them man, they're very experienced in it.
Yeah.
Me, I said to myself, say, me not make them bully me tonight.
Right.
You see me? Me I go in there with the same energy what them have. Yeah?
Yes.
And them play the first round, I say, cool, them reach before we. And anybody reach first, them have to play the first round, right? Them have to play first, see?
Right.
Cool. The first round where them have chop, me there over there, I go so. I mean I say, bombo. I mean I say, yo. He make a 2 speech, you know. I'm going to go some and drop a 2 song and put an add 2 song in a file, you know. And after I add the song them in a file, the dog play the song them. So I say, bomba, no.
Yeah, take them out.
Me take them back out. I make a speech and say, yo, when me forward in and it come like them now and heal and thing. And thing, but when I brother them, me can't remember his name, the one in my white top. He see me and say, yo, dear, big up in a Ray, you know, say, yo, me watching and thing, yo, me love your energy and this and that. But me know, Cutty, and Killer as the 2 selected them, we play the song. So me not smiling with them.
It's a legal business. No shivits.
I'm looking at nobody's face.
Yeah.
When you talk about him again, Cutty just heads off in one corner.
Yeah.
All one time, we have to call Cutty, ask Cutty where I'm gone.
You see me? Yeah. You see me? So when we prepare for the clash. Yeah. Because me know say, all right, everybody at the call me and say, yo, deal, don't take that clash lightly, you know. Don't take that one lightly. You see the other one that we want to go on going on.
Yeah.
We never really get that challenge. You see me? We never really get that challenge.
Yeah.
Quite a few times go up at Warrior Fort and we never really get a big challenge. So
you said that you were challenged last night.
Yeah, yesterday was the biggest challenge.
Cool.
Truly,
and you enjoyed that challenge, obviously, based on the production that you gave.
All right.
Yeah, definitely. Like, you see it, and it's a learning process for me, you know, cause going up against them Sonia with experience, me learn things from them as well. But learn things from the clash. You get me? And every little fault and every mistake we make, we just learn from that. And the next clash we know so we're not gonna make that mistake there again.
All right.
You see me?
Of course.
Let me stop you as a mistake, you know.
Where's that?
Me stop you at the first mistake where you make, and me feel like say, as a young shooter, me think you know better, but I guess it's the rule of the clash. You know the 1-for-1 now, you play some custom.
That's what I was just about to say.
You fuck up there so and like by this some bex, you know.
Yeah.
I mean I say where I go, I'm Black Knight have song.
I told me I show it, you know. It's like me I show it, you know. Me I say yo, but you know say, me I say to myself, say you know say, even though in my mind me I say yo, I'm fun. Me still have fun with it, you see me?
Yeah.
Like it's still an experience. It's not like say after that clash, I'm gonna say yo, Black Knight kill Infinity or Infinity kill Black Knight.
Both
you see me? The two sound them play good. The two sound them supporters. And there's the live when they don't know them. So them are gonna still say, all right, them play better. No matter what, the two we get supporters.
Of course, definitely. And Killer, if we jump over to you quickly, yes, you're seasoned within the clash industry or the clash sector of the music industry. What were some lessons that you learned last night? Because everybody must learn something. Killer? You pay your internet bill this week.
Killer
this month.
internet bill.
Your third round should have been your second round.
Killer no pay him internet bill.
Killer the pan freeze, no Killer. Your second round, you fuck where you go out with.
Killer the pan freeze. So
in third round,
should have been the first one.
No, it should have been the second round.
I can't even hear that while ago now.
Me say, your third round should have been your second round. Some of the song them where you play.
You are go fix the internet.
Never hear that.
Are you hearing us? Hold on. Are you hearing us now?
My headphone?
Are you hearing us now?
I hear you, man. I hear you. You just reach the house, man.
Killer, yeah.
All
so
right.
Your third round should have been your second round or you play. Because the second round, because you have to understand, you know, even though it's a fun for clash, the second round, because I think you guys feel like you win the first round. Second round,
Them take it too easy.
You take it too easy and you play some song. I mean, like, But me know Infinity Sound have some better song than that.
Yeah.
And me like, what I do? Then that's when they forward in. From there, so they start growing a confidence, you know.
True.
Cause remember the first one, the whole I'm back wheel up, you know.
True.
Start growing a confidence. Then it's
Yeah,
like,
Use the ice pack.
in coming, you see man coming and take off all in glass. Cause I'm confident now. You know, and nobody see them that ball earlier and them take off the glass.
Hold on, seriously.
I think we're getting some technical difficulties, but when you jam back and you can hear
Yeah,
us.
so the man take off the glass and be things and say, yo, problem now in the clash. And me see a skate so yeah, find some song. One night time, me see Kotiala get upset with you know.
Yeah, if Cutty nearly fired him last night, on the spot.
Me I say, Killer, where you do, Killer?
Let Killer respond. What you say about that, Killer?
You see the first one.
Yes.
After we beat the first one, I said to myself, sure. You know, yeah, I mean, I said, sure, man, I can't be bothered, you know. I mean, it's fun. You know, when I take it serious after that.
Right.
Me not take it seriously. You can't even ask Cowboy. We over there a reason and laugh. All them little thing there. You know what I say? Yeah,
Yes.
me just relax and just cruise.
Right.
So you're going in a clash to cruise. It's not on the Thames, you know.
No. Listen.
It's a rough house business, you know.
You know, the report, you know, you don't know really a deep clash where you know, say, oh, I'm going to move over with that trophy. You understand what I'm saying? If it was a bigger trophy and all that, you know.
But your reputation is on the line.
Exactly. It doesn't really matter. And that's
What about your reputation? Like in Infinity.
Killer.
Yeah, but we own it up still. We own
And
it
I
up still.
think-
We do what we
and
have to do.
Go ahead, Dio.
Remember, you know, Killer, whole heap of people there in our life, you know, be chat, never chat, you know. I see when
Exactly.
there are some people there behind the phone. You see when them there behind the phone, they feel like they have God.
Power, true.
They have whole heap of power. You see me?
But
So-
and on that perspective, I think not because it's not a clash where you're gonna get first, second, or third
Yeah, win
sections.
Yeah.
As next thing we gonna say a word I'm gonna get why. Right? First, second, or third. I think the mentality that you should have gone in is a clash. Full stop.
Wow.
It no matter if it's just a regular clash like it
But-
was.
That's why Cutty want to fire me.
So hold on. So you think you deserve to get fire based on last night?
Well, just we could probably have one day.
You call
Okay, it's a suspension. You are found one. All right.
So, Killer, somebody on Instagram said you get coward, that's why
Because you say I got fire.
yeah, that's why you say we realize you so not get assassinated. So this why you start crying.
No man, never give up.
All right then,
Never.
guys.
Anyway, hold on.
Type
Dio,
one
quickly.
last question.
Wait, I said. The other said something before. Let me hear what I say.
I can't remember. Oh yeah, media says me I tell you the truth, me never did like me say it took me like just 2 weeks ago before me start even.
Take it in.
Say
Because you've
yeah.
been extremely
Number
busy,
one.
you know. We've seen you.
You see me? So before that, me never interested in that. God no, me never interested in that. Like, but when the first Ruffhouse started, I start watching it, I say, yo, all right, them man are not joke.
Yeah.
Then they on a serious thing. It's a proper Ruffhouse this.
Yes.
And it promote better than the last one because it's not like say we just get a call. People don't say it's a happen.
Right.
Fly a code. It's not like say we just get a call a week before and say, yo, next week you can reach. No,
Right.
it's months.
Proper promotions.
It's proper promoted and people get, you see me, people.
Yes.
And Lions got the on the week before the first time they might clash.
Right.
You see me?
Right.
So this
the
week
numbers
we
were
can't
great.
forward and say, yo, me have to be serious, me have to be honest, me have to be on point. You get me?
Yeah.
I have to practice. I mean, say me I go up against a bad son. I never know what can go on in the future, you know. People,
Right.
you never know who they on the life. Somebody
Right.
on the life will probably have plan a world class and say, you know, but they might bring back world class. You know, say them two son, they might bring them on the
See
land.
there?
You
That's
see me?
how we should look at it. Before we go, firstly, thank you for joining us, guys.
And big up the two
and
stone
big
as well.
up to Infinity
Because,
and
you know,
to Black
it
Knight
take guts.
to do
Yeah.
stuff like this. But before you go,
Big up
Killer,
Black Knight.
before you guys go, Killer, give us some dates, some Instagram lives, or some dates that we can look forward to seeing.
When we-
Infinity playing,
Boy.
please.
Boy, you have to check the Instagram now.
And the Instagram page is
Check
what?
the Infinity UK fan page. Check that page
Okay.
there now.
Okay,
Exactly.
and for you, Dio.
And for Dio,
Yeah, you know, we have every Tuesday, Lego Me Artist Tuesday over
Starting
KJ.
in the next 5 minutes.
Yeah, me need to go rock round about everything good.
So people,
I
you
know
are
we have-
now.
Hold on. Go ahead. So every Tuesday, Legomet Artist. Sundays, Legendary Sundays.
Legendary Sundays. You know, we're not going to this Sunday, right?
Yes, the 28th, the Upnlive Show team will be there.
Yes,
Looking forward to that.
Like
And a
the
clash,
clash.
so... there we go.
Big up my team, big up the whole Black Knight, big up the whole Infinity, yeah?
Big up.
No, big up
Big up
you to
yourself.
them Tricks.
Doing good, you know?
Big up Tricks, you know, cause Tricks are fire,
Yeah,
you know.
Him shoot last night, man, I lie.
Yeah, well.
I'm a shoot, I'm a shoot.
Everybody
Yeah,
has big up things, everybody has to, but you remember Tricks for the last one.
Actually, you know, so we see
You know, we
Tricks
never
over
watch the last
Buzzwalk and
one.
we never really realized him.
No, because alright. You know, Black
always,
Knight
you want
son is always
KJ and
KJ
KJ
and
and father
and Cowboy, you know, and them three day people know, but no
Yeah.
Tricks.
Tricks make him
I
name,
get in
yes,
the
sir.
limelight, no, Tricks make him
Next
name.
time, Tricks, I forgot to take off
You
his
see, you go,
mask.
Cutty, you want kill everybody know, you know.
Yeah.
Cause them everybody know you and you know, Cutty a bully, so that's how you go.
Hey,
So shout out to Infinity UK
Yeah,
and
shout out to
Black
Black
Knight
Knight
Zone.
Zone,
Thank you for joining us and have a good evening, guys. And we will catch
Thank
up with
you.
you soon. Yeah.
of course.
All
Take care of yourselves,
Stick and
manners.
stay.
Blessed
Hey,
love.
big up the Instagram crew, that, you know, the Instagram crew, them go hard, you know. Sasha go with a bag of things. Sasha want make you cuss Infinity to the son, so.
What is happening over
No, she has said,
Instagram?
Killer don't even know what I go on for him son, if he do better, and all these things.
And CB on Facebook, who is normally here with us, said that
Boy,
Infinity
Sasha.
first round was good. Then they got
Yeah.
too relaxed.
Yeah.
It was kind of desperate when they started to play the custom first, and it was really early.
But here one now. You see some of these internet badness. Look like we have a line up a thing for them, you know, internet bad people. Them.
Put them in our
You know,
class.
Quick
You know,
fingers.
like Sasha now.
Sasha.
You know, some of, you know,
No,
Sasha bad in a real life, but you know.
She-
a bad girl, man. Big up Sasha, though.
You know,
Big up
I'm a
yourself,
G.
sweet.
And Danny Bless, an internet bad man too, you know, but you say
Listen,
bad in a real.
you know,
But Danny
you're-
Bless, big up, you know.
Nobody does safe.
Nobody not safe, you know. We have to put in our like a ring, you know.
Of course.
Aye.
You know, it's all about entertaining people, and this whole like say, yo,
Yes.
UK dance hall is finally took a flight, you know.
Yeah.
Of
Them
course.
saying in a past airport, but it took off.
Listen,
course.
and I hope the flight continues when road open up.
Of course.
Unity is
I hope the
strength.
plane don't crash with the coke.
Of course. And on that note, it's approximately
We're
2 minutes
done.
coming up at 10 right here, London, England.
We're
This is the
done.
Upnlive Show. We're going to be having a special guest inside the studio.
Yes.
You know, we're going to drop some song.
Yes.
Until then, you know the badness go.
Just
Jog
stick and
on.
stay. Share the live, guys. Share the live. Share the live. Share the live.
See.
Jesus Christ, I be things are going on the weekend.